Here are 5 things that you can do with your crypto profits. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, some free stocks, and a great way to save some money on your car insurance. And now let's jump straight into the video. So let's say you made some profits investing in crypto. For this example, we're gonna say you invested $1,000 and now your $1,000 has become $3,000. And you're wondering what you should do with your crypto profits. So this is what I would personally do. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. Make sure to do your own research and do what is right for your situation. So the first thing that I would do is decide how much money I'm leaving in crypto. You always want to have some kind of position. You always want to be ready to pounce on a perfect opportunity. Crypto, in my opinion, presents a lot of opportunities to make money. So you always want to be invested in crypto. Even in the bear markets, when everything is crashing and everyone is leaving, stay with crypto. That is where all the massive gains are made. So I would leave $1,000 in stable coins and wait for the next opportunity to appear. The other $2,000, I would personally cash it out and transfer it to a bank account, convert it back to cash, and put it in a high interest savings accounts. Right now, a lot of savings accounts are paying decent interest, anywhere between 0.8 all the way up to 1.25%. These high interest savings accounts pay almost 100 times more than a regular bank account that only pays you 0.01. So that is the first thing that I would do. And here are some banks that offer high interest savings accounts. Ally Bank right now is paying 0.9. Marcus by Goldman Sachs is at 0.85. SoFi is at 1.25. Capital One Performance Savings is at 0.8. Citi is over 1%. Barclays is at 0.9 as well. Also, all of these high interest savings accounts are insured by the FDIC up to $250,000. And this is what I would do with the $2,000 that I converted into cash and transferred it over to my high interest savings account. I will break it down into 5 different categories. Category number 1 is to fund my emergency accounts. You always want to have 6 months to 12 months of cash reserves. So for example, every single month when you pay your water bill, your electric bill, your phone, internet, your mortgage, your rent, whatever, that total, multiply it by 6. So for example, if everything comes out to $2,000, if you want to have a 6-month emergency fund, you will need to save $12,000. Also, for a 1-year emergency fund, you will need $24,000. Having a 6-month to 12-month emergency fund should be your number 1 priority. I know it is not easy to save 6 months worth of expenses or even 1 year, but over time you can definitely do it. So that would be my first thing that I would do. The benefits of having an emergency fund are absolutely amazing. You'll be able to think a lot more clearly. You'll be able to make better financial decisions. You will have a lot less stress. Also, you'll be a lot more productive. And I recommend keeping your emergency fund in a high interest savings account. That is what I do as well. That way you can earn a little bit of extra money every single month. The second thing that I would do is max out all of my long-term investments, such as 401k, Roth IRAs, crypto investments, whatever you are doing to have long-term growth and long-term success, max that out. For example, a Roth IRA, you'll be able to contribute up to $6,000 every single year into your Roth. Using that $6,000, you'll be able to make a ton of different investments into stocks, real estate, crypto, and you'll be able to make that money tax-free. You'll be able to buy and sell, and you do not have to worry about paying taxes at the end of the year. But the max is only $6,000. So if you have 2 IRAs, you'll be able to put $3,000 into each one. Also guys, if you believe in crypto long term, check out the first link in the description box below for I Trust Capital. Sign up, create a crypto Roth IRA, deposit some money, and in that account, you'll be able to trade crypto tax-free. In my opinion, the crypto Roth IRA is an amazing tool to build long-term wealth with crypto, and I highly recommend it. And that brings me to option number 3, and that is to invest in yourself and in your business. So for example, if you want to become a musician, buy more equipment, buy lessons. If you want to become a YouTuber, buy a camera, buy a mic, buy some lighting. So whatever business you have or business you want to start, invest in yourself and invest in that business, and the gains will come. Option number 4 is to pay off some debts. I know a lot of people have credit card debt, they have car payments, mortgages, phone debt, a lot of different types of debts. So what I would do with some of the money is pay some of those debts off. Use the snowball method. In my opinion, that is one of the best ways to get out of debt. Obviously, there's good debt and bad debt. Good debt generates you more income and more money every single month, while bad debt, all it does is take away. So work on paying off all of your bad debts. I know $2,000 is not a lot of money, and it's not gonna pay off your car, it's not gonna pay off your mortgage, it's not gonna max out your Roth IRA, it's not gonna make you a crypto millionaire overnight. Everything takes time. But over time, that $2,000 will do wonders. It will slowly build up your emergency fund. It will slowly max out your Roth IRA. It will slowly pay off your debts. So stick with your plan, stick with your strategies. And now let's talk about option number 5, and that is to reward yourself. Spend some money on you. If you like fishing, go on a fishing trip. If you like fancy shoes, buy some fancy shoes. If you like fast cars, buy a turbo. Whatever it is that you love, spend some money on it. A lot of people overlook this option, but in my opinion, it is on the same level as the other 4 options that I mentioned. Rewarding yourself will put you in the right state of mind to get even more rewards. It will create a lot more positive feelings. It will re-energize you. It will give you a boost, and it will give you the confirmation that you are on the right path and you are doing everything that you need to be doing in order to become successful. So definitely start rewarding yourself more, even if the reward is very small. Over time, it will get bigger. All right, everybody, that concludes this quick video. Those are some 5 things that I would do with my crypto profits. And let me know in the comment section below, what do you do with your crypto profits? And as always, this is not financial advice. Do your own research and do what is best for your portfolio. Also, guys, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, some free stocks, and a great way to save some money on your car insurance. See you in the next video. Peace.